American bass, 10-inch XFL. This one came in just for a new cone. The cone was broken, beat up. When we got down to it, I noticed one of the tinsel leads was burned. I went ahead and quoted him, and then I noticed that the coil is really good, so that'll save him some money. We'll just recover this coil. And then I'm going to go ahead and redo the leads to just do push terminals. There's no real benefit to doing this. I think the guy that started doing this was probably for aftermarket loudspeakers was David Moore over at PSI, aka fixmyspeaker.com. And sometimes you have to do this just because there's not room for terminals, especially on sometimes some 8s and some 10s. There's just not enough room because the modifications that you're making eat up terminal space. But regular push terminals are way better than this. This is all just kind of hacky, I guess would be a word. Now, if you prefer this, you're probably dumb. And you just don't know any better, which is, again, that's also fine, but don't argue. Because obviously from an engineering standpoint, push terminals are way more convenient and more reliable. So anyways, we'll go ahead and recone this. He's going to do the GONZO cone with a matching glass fiber dust cap. So I'm going to take this out. This had 2 spiders in it. We only need to do 1 good spider. These are really soft. And the aluminum, I can already tell it's aluminum, or I'm sorry, the voice coil is aluminum. It's very light. So I actually might change it to a copper coil, and then I'm going to go ahead and contact him because I think this was a solo woofer setup. If he's using an amp that's 1 ohm stable, I'm going to go ahead and change it to probably a dual 2, and then just go from there. But that's it.